I bet you didn't know your salad dressing could be healthier. Ready to find out how? Both avocados and olive oil pack a punch when it comes to health benefit. But which one takes the crown? First up, avocados. These green gems are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a bunch of vitamins. Plus, they've got more potassium than a banana. Talk about a superfood, right? Now let's talk olive oil. This Mediterranean marvel is famous for its rich flavor and antioxidant content. It's also a monounsaturated fat powerhouse. Studies show it can lower bad cholesterol and improve heart health. Not too shabby for a kitchen staple, so which one wins? Honestly, it depends, right? If you want more fiber and vitamins, go for avocados. If you're looking for a versatile cooking oil with heart benefits, olive oil's your guy. Why not use both? Avocado toast drizzled with olive oil anyway. Now that's a match made in health heaven.